In 1948, Richmont founder Frank W. Livrermont invented and patented the first torque screwdriver. More than inventing the tool, he invented the category. 8 years later, Livrermont was at it again, improved his invention, and was awarded yet another patent. We're always looking for ways to make great tools even better. We've added a new series of preset torque drivers. We call it the P series. For those who might be worried that we're discontinuing the PM series drivers, fear not. While we're adding the new P series, we will continue to make the PM series that customers have long appreciated. We've kept the same spring and clutch that goes into our PM and Cal series torque drivers because they're extremely accurate, repeatable, and they last for decades. Do our torque screwdrivers really last for decades? We have a customer with 54 Cal 30 drivers. Those drivers get heavy use every day. We stopped making the Cal 30 in 1972. After more than 50 years of daily use, they still hold their calibration exceptionally well, and they don't need major repairs. That's our definition of durability. Combine the accuracy, reliability, durability, and the lowest cost of ownership in the industry. Why would you buy anything but a Sturtevant Richmont torque driver? So what's new with the P series? The P series has a brand new look and feel. The grip is very comfortable in your hand. Not only is it comfortable, but it gives you greater purchase in turning the driver. This tool instills confidence that you'll get the job done right each and every time. With the comfort grip, you can tighten a lot of fasteners without hand fatigue. The P-Series preset drivers also come with the Antibacklash feature. If you remember back to your physics classes, Newton's third law says for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Our anti-backlash function prevents that opposite torque reaction when you're tightening a fastener. If we didn't prevent reaction torque, not only would reaction torque be felt in the wrist, but it could also negatively impact the fastener that was just tightened. That's why the anti-backlash feature is so important. If you really want to understand how important the Sturtevant Richmont anti-backlash feature really is, use a torque screwdriver without the anti-backlash feature. The pressure you place on the grip to keep the bit in the slot while turning the driver is called thrust force. With some brands, thrust force compresses the spring, which changes the torque output without the operator knowing it. As thrust force changes, so does the torque output, and repeatability goes right out the window. Sturtevant Richmont pioneered the design that transfers thrust force directly to the shaft and the bit. It doesn't compress the spring, and it doesn't change the torque value as other brands do. That's one of the reasons why customers value our repeatability. The P-Series comes in 3 capacities. There's the P62H, has a capacity of 20 to 100 inch ounces. Order part number 810501. P22H has a torque capacity range of 4 to 20 inch-pounds. Order part number 810502. P42H has a torque capacity range of 5 to 40 inch-pounds. Order part number 810503. If you'd like the sliding T-handle, order part number 814848. Many 30 to 40 inch-pound torque applications are handled by a torque wrench. When you don't have access for a wrench, the P42H combined with the sliding T-handle gives operators an option to get in, tighten the fastener without a struggle. P-Series are all equipped with a 1/4-inch female hexagonal drive. You can use your own hexagonal power bits and insert bits. Like all of our drivers, the P-Series meets or exceeds the ASME B107300 2010 and the ISO 6789 accuracy standard of plus or minus 6% of indicated value. If you've been using our torque drivers, you know them to be accurate, reliable, and durable. If you haven't been using our drivers, the P-Series would definitely be a great introduction to our line. And like all of our tools, you'll get the lowest cost of ownership in the industry. As a reminder, if we preset the torque value at the factory, the new P-Series preset driver comes with a certificate of calibration from our ISO 17025 accredited calibration laboratory. If we don't preset the torque value at the factory, the customer may request a certificate of calibration. The P-Series preset torque drivers are available now. Once customers feel these in their hands and experience the comfort along with the accuracy and repeatability, they'll never use another brand of torque screwdriver again. For more information about the new P-Series preset torque drivers or other Sturtevant Richmont tools and testers, contact your local Sturtevant Richmont torque expert. Accurate, reliable, durable. Tools you trust. From the engineering minds at Sturtevant Richmont.